I'll take you to a new module altogether, which is called clients, which is very important feature. Okay, so as you can see here, we have different categories again based on the offerings that you had. So you have client list for services, you have client list for products, and you have client list for consultants. Of course, a client can be common between all three services, but the way we have done is to make it simple so that you wanted to check out, okay, show me all clients who have taken some services, show me clients who have taken me some sort of products. Everything is there. Again, two options are there. In case if you are using the system for the first time, this data will be all blank. What you can do is you can either download the Excel template, add your data in our template, and bulk upload your client. The system will automatically fetch everything and start showing you this one. In case if you want to add a new client, I'll just show you there as well. So we have three different subcategory for adding a client. One is basic information, which is the client name, client phone number, and email ID. Let's say I'm just writing Pasna. You just create it, click on save and next, or maybe let's say I'm just providing their phone number and email ID. Now click on save and next. You will be taken to a different tab altogether, which is called personal details. Now we have two options. Either you can skip and next, or you can save and next. When you skip and next, typically you are saying, okay, I don't want to fill this data right now, I want to do it later on, or I want my client to fill this information. So a unique link will be created and sent to the client, and the client can fill this application in this data altogether, so you don't have to spend much time. For now, I'm just clicking on skip and next. Again, the third is plan details, what exactly I'm selling to my client. Choose the package, choose the dietitian. In case if you want to assign dietitian, if you have multiple dietitian and you want a single point of contact for a specific client with a specific dietitian, you can do it. Provide the discount amount. In case if you leave GST, just click on this checkbox. In case the client also want to have a GST bills, invoices, ask their GST number, type, and all of that. Amount paid, payment mode, service instance. So for example, let's say if I come to you for the very first time, this is a first time service instance. If I am a client who is looking forward to take extension, for example, let's say I came to you for 6 months and now I'm saying I'm happy, I want an extension for next 6 months. So I will be extension level of client. In case if I come to you for let's say 6 months and then I took a break of 6 months and then I came back to you once again, maybe after 9 months, I'm a returning client. So now you have a start date and expected completion date, both are mandatory, because this is where you will be getting various different kind of notifications, reminders, and all of that. In case if a client is looking forward to have some sort of extension of 10-15 days, or maybe I was traveling, give me some extension, something like that, that can also be done. All you have to do is just edit the completion date simply. I'm clicking on skip and send link. So as you see, send link means once this button is clicked, my client with blank data, just the important 4 or 5 parameters, the name, phone number, email will be created, and in a unique link will be created and sent to the client's email ID. Now the client can simply log into that particular thing. They don't have to register, they just have to click it. We made a system so simple and encrypted in such a strong way that you just click on that particular link and the system will start showing you about your entire the plans that you have taken. Then you have your client information. Now I'll give you a different tab look, which is called products. So this is where the list of all the products are there, where you can see a client who has purchased anything. Then this is the client list who has taken some sort of consultation services from you. One thing to note here is, I scroll down. Okay, you see terms and condition accepted, and image consent status is showing accepted for these three and rest are not accepted. This is where the link which has been sent to a client, they will see and read your terms and condition from your business, which is a customizable thing. Once they click on I accept, system will show you, okay, they have accepted your terms and condition, and they are giving you consent to upload their images on social media. In case if they are not given, so you also get a clarity, okay, this particular client, for example, Bhavi or Jesse, they don't want to give you image consent, so don't upload their content on social media. However, Achal and Suhaim, they have given you the access. Now this will be a very helpful feature because you can always see the terms and condition must always be accepted, because that is how your business should work, because these are your terms and conditions which the client has to accept.